in every business I've ever done, God, it's been the same way. It's like you go down this road, then you adjust, you change it, you try different things. And let me give you a quick example of a nurse practitioner that I helped launch a company for literally 2 months ago in San Antonio, Texas. We were talking about, how can she drive traffic? And what we decided to do, first she was going to get like a little, 600 square foot space and have 2 treatment rooms and blah, blah, blah. She expanded her space to about, I think it was like maybe 5 or 6 treatment rooms. And she did a combo of actual medicine, the nurse practitioner stuff, and the aesthetics. And our game plan was, okay, even though she wanted to fade out of being a nurse practitioner and traditional medicine into aesthetics, we basically said, okay, you got to follow all these people. They love you. They like you. They come to these different things. So she's continuing to be a nurse practitioner, just family practice things and some hormones and things like that, for the sole purpose of using that traffic, those people that are coming for her bread and butter, what she knows. And then, of course, X% of those for free, she can market to. And now she's really starting to grow her practice kind of in that avenue.